Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the Galaxy Note 9. This came out today, at least at the time of filming this, and there's two variants. This is the $999 variant with 128 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM. You can also pay $1249 and get 512 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So this comes in two different colors. It comes in a blue and a lilac pink color. This is the blue one called Ocean Blue, and there's lavender purple. But here's the phone. Let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got a SIM card removal tool, and then let's see what we've got here. We've got a quick reference guide and a terms and conditions, health and safety. So let's take a look at the phone real quick, and this is the Note itself. Let's take a look at the phone. We'll take this off in a moment. Let me set this aside and see what comes in the box. So just a little divider here. We have a little USB connector to allow us to switch from a different device. We've got our wall adapter. So fast charger it says. And then in here, we've got some AKG headphones, or looks like just simple headphones with a little braided cable. Some extra earbuds for that. This is our little tool for the pen, and then we've got our USB-A to USB-C cable. Set this aside and take a look at the Note. We'll take the front protector off. So let's flip it over here. You'll see this is Ocean Blue, and I think it looks pretty good. It's all glass, has wireless fast charging. They've moved the fingerprint sensor down a little bit, and then we've got our dual cameras. They're both 12 megapixel cameras, but they both have optical image stabilization. One of them has an f1.5 and variable to f2.4 aperture. That's this one here. And then we have a secondary camera that has a telephoto lens with an f2.4 aperture. We've got a huge 4,000 milliamp hour battery in here. And then on the front, we have a really nice display, 6.4 inches, 2940 by 1400 with an 8 megapixel forward facing camera at f1.7. So that's pretty impressive. Inside, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. We also have expandable storage up to 2 gigabytes with a micro SD. We've got a microphone here. And then on the side, just like you'd expect with any Samsung phone, a power, sleep, wake button, volume, Bixby button. On the bottom, USB-C, headphone jack, microphone, speaker, S Pen, and that's it. Let's turn it on. So I'll turn this on and set it up, and then we'll take a quick look. It has stereo speakers as well with the speaker here and here. The phone is booted, and you'll see it says start. It also has a voice guide, so it says hello there. It's much like Cortana, if you've ever heard that, when you set up Windows for the first time. Hit start. So I've connected to my network. Wait for an update. So now we can transfer from an old device or continue on. I'll bring over some information from my other phone so I can try this out, and this may take a moment, so I'll let that run and check back. So I'm transferring data through the USB-C cable from one phone to this one. We'll hit next here, and it should be ready to use. So it looks like we're all set, and I'll have to set some other things up, but this is IP68 water resistant, dust resistant, and it runs Android 8.1 Oreo, so no Android 9 Pie here yet. So we'll just go through some of this, and this display looks really nice. And let's see if we can get some weather information here. There we go. And it's just like we'd expect. It's an Android phone. It's a Note. It looks good. And see what we get with the S Pen. I do like the remote feature. I'll check that out. And be sure to check back for the review in a few days after I've used this. And I've used a lot of different Samsung phones over the years. I regularly use a Pixel 2 XL I've got right here. So I'm not sure if I'll like this more than an iPhone, for example, but let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be using it for a few days alongside some other devices as well. And if there's anything you haven't seen in any other reviews, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to be able to help you out with that in the full review. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.